Hi, and thanks for visiting the Wellness Seeker channel. This video is an excerpt from the book Ancient and Traditional Healing Secrets of the Middle East. The link to buy this book can be found in the description. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button for support this channel and get more videos about spirituality and wellness. Muslims fast every day, from sunrise to dusk, during the holy month of Ramadan. Ramadan fasting is a kind of intermittent fasting. Suhoor, the meal eaten just before sunrise, marks the start of the fast. Then comes iftar, the meal that ends the fast and is typically consumed at sunset. If done properly, fasting during the month of Ramadan can be very beneficial to your overall wellness. Fasting not only burns down stored fat, but also clears the body of any potentially dangerous toxins. Fasting is an ancient practice, and has many health benefits. Since the body does not have access to glucose as usual, the cells are forced to turn to alternative methods and resources in order to make energy. Fasting is a powerful way to stimulate autophagy. Autophagy is a cellular detoxification process. There are many famous quotes about the discipline of fasting, like, "Hunger is the first element of self-discipline. If you can control what you eat and drink, you can control everything else." Umar Farooq, Abdallah. Many new studies have shown that during fasting, the body forces the stem cells to produce new white blood cells, which fight infection. Prolonged fasting helps the body to use the stocks of glucose. During each cycle of fasting, this depletion of leukocytes induces changes that activate the stem cells to regenerate new cells of the immune system. When we are hungry, our immune system tries to save energy, and in order to do that, our body recycling many of the immune cells that are not needed, particularly those that may have been damaged. Middle Eastern ethnic groups use numerous herbal and holistic remedies. On my quest to complete my book, Ancient and Traditional Healing Secrets of the Middle East, I visited many Middle East regions and countries, including Bahrain, Egypt, Jordan, Dubai, Qatar, and Turkey. I tasted the nutrient-rich Middle Eastern cuisines, and I found more about the superfoods in these locations. But the healing treatments, the Middle Eastern spirituality, and the traditional Islamic medicine were the main reasons that I visited most of these countries.